If you've ever watched a game and thought to yourself, I could actually make money predicting this, then you're not alone, and that's exactly where betting platforms like Betfair come in. But if you're completely new, the idea of placing your very first bet can feel confusing, even a little intimidating. You might be wondering what all the numbers mean, how to actually place the bet, and most importantly, how to avoid making beginner mistakes that cost you money right away. So in this guide, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step in a simple and practical way, so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently place your first bet without second guessing yourself. The very first thing you need to do is create an account on Betfair. This part is straightforward. You go to the official website or download the mobile app, click on sign up, and fill in your details like your name, email address, date of birth, and create a secure password. Make sure you use real information because you'll need to verify your account later, especially when it's time to withdraw your winnings. Once your account is created, Betfair may ask you to verify your identity by uploading a document like a passport or driver's license. It might seem like an extra step, but it's important for security and it ensures that your account is fully functional. After your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You can't place a bet without money in your account, so you'll need to deposit funds. Betfair supports multiple payment options depending on your region, including debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. You simply go to the deposit section, choose your preferred method, enter the amount you want to deposit, and confirm the transaction. As a beginner, it's smart to start with an amount you're comfortable losing. Think of this as entertainment first, not guaranteed income, because even the best bettors lose sometimes. Once your account is funded, now comes the interesting part, choosing what to bet on. When you log into Betfair, you'll see a wide range of sports like football, basketball, tennis, horse racing, and more. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to stick with a sport you already understand. For example, if you regularly watch football, you'll have a better sense of team performance, player form, and match dynamics, which can help you make more informed decisions. Now, when you click on a specific match or event, you'll notice something that makes Betfair different from many other platforms. It's known as a betting exchange. This means you're not just betting against the house, you can actually bet against other users. This is where the concepts of back and lay bets come in. A back bet is the traditional type of bet where you're betting that something will happen, like a team winning a match. A lay bet, on the other hand, means you're betting that something will not happen. For beginners, it's usually best to stick with back bets until you fully understand how laying works. Let's say you choose a football match and you want to bet on a team to win. You'll see odds next to each outcome. These odds represent how much you stand to win based on your stake. For example, if the odds are 2.00 and you bet $10, you'll get $20 back if your bet wins, which includes your original stake. Higher odds mean higher potential returns, but also lower probability of winning, so don't just chase big numbers without thinking. To place your bet, you simply click on the odds for the outcome you want. This will add the selection to your bet slip, which is usually displayed on the side of the screen. In the bet slip, you'll enter the amount you want to stake. As you type in your stake, Betfair will automatically show you your potential profit. This is helpful because it gives you a clear idea of what you stand to gain before you confirm anything. Before placing the bet, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check the event, the selection, the odds, and your stake. This might sound basic, but a lot of beginners make mistakes here, like betting on the wrong team or entering the wrong amount. Once you're sure everything is correct, you click the Place Bet button, and just like that, your first bet is officially placed. After placing your bet, you can track it in the My Bet section of your account. This is where you'll see all your active and settled bets. If your bet wins, your profit will be added to your account balance automatically. If it loses, your stake is gone, and that's part of the game. The key is to stay disciplined and not try to chase losses by placing impulsive bets. One thing that makes Betfair unique is the ability to cash out your bet before the event ends. This feature allows you to secure a profit or minimize a loss depending on how the game is going. For example, if your team is leading and the odds have shifted in your favor, you might be able to cash out for a profit without waiting for the final whistle. On the flip side, if things aren't going your way, cashing out early can help you recover part of your stake instead of losing it all. As a beginner, it's important to focus on simple bets and avoid complicated strategies. You might come across terms like accumulators, parlays, or system bets, but these can be risky if you don't fully understand them. Start with single bets, build your confidence, and gradually explore more advanced options as you gain experience. Another important tip is to manage your bankroll wisely. Don't bet all your money at once, and don't increase your stake just because you lost a previous bet. Set a budget for yourself and stick to it. This is what separates smart bettors from those who end up losing more than they planned. Also, take advantage of any bonuses or promotions that Betfair offers. These can give you extra value like free bets or match deposits. Just make sure you read the terms and conditions because some bonuses come with wager room requirements that you need to meet before you can withdraw any winnings. At the end of the day, placing your first bet on Betfair is not about winning big immediately. It's about learning how the platform works, understanding the basics, and building good habits from the start. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become, and the better your decision making will be over time. So if you've been hesitating or overthinking it, now you know exactly what to do. Create your account, deposit a small amount, pick a sport you understand, place a simple back bet, and track your results. That's all it takes to get started. And once you place that first bet, you'll realize it's not as complicated as it seemed at the beginning. As you continue using Betfair, you'll start to notice patterns and opportunities that weren't obvious at first. One of the biggest advantages of a betting exchange is that the odds are often more competitive because they're set by other users, not a bookmaker trying to build in a profit margin. This means, over time, you may find better value compared to traditional sportsbooks. Pay attention to how odds move before a match starts, as this can sometimes indicate where the majority of money is going, and it can help you make more informed decisions rather than just guessing. Another powerful feature you can explore as you gain confidence is trading during live events. Instead of just placing a bet and waiting for the outcome, you can actually take advantage of changing odds while the game is in progress. For example, if a team you back scores early, the odds will shift in your favour, and you can choose to cash out for a guaranteed profit or even place an opposite bet to lock in gains regardless of the final results. This approach requires quick thinking and a good understanding of how the game is unfolding, so it's something to practice carefully, but it can completely change how you approach betting. Finally, always keep your mindset in check. It's easy to get carried away after a win or frustrated after a loss, but consistency is what matters most in the long run. Treat every bet as a calculated decision, not an emotional reaction. Keep track of your bets, learn from your mistakes, and stay patient with your progress. Betting should always remain something you enjoy and stay in control of, and if you stick to that approach, you'll not only improve your skills, but also avoid the common traps that many beginners fall into.